Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the 70 Mai Dash Cam Pro. But this has probably got to be one of the best dash cameras I have used. And here it is. Beautifully designed, and I'm getting straight into it. The image quality, video quality is excellent. It really is. LCD display here. We have a power button there at the bottom, and we have menu buttons there on the top. This camera is rotatable, so you can rotate it. You haven't got much room to rotate, but you don't need to rotate it further than that once it's attached to your windscreen. Here at the bottom, this is where you attach the mount. Now this is where it gets interesting because I've never seen this before. You get this. This is not normally attached to that bit of plastic, but you do get two bits of this plastic, and the mount slots in like that, and the plastic sticks to your windscreen, and you're thinking, how on earth is that going to stay there? But it does. You stick the plastic to your windscreen. Once you're happy that the plastic is there, you can then stick the mount in the dotted area. There is a dotted area there for you to apply it to. Unfortunately, I made it a little bit wonky on mine. But you stick the mount on there, and then you can slide and take off the camera really easily.
What? Daddy?
So instead of sticking straight to your glass, it goes straight onto that plastic bit. And peel that off. There we go. No residue on there. And I'm pretty sure you'll probably use this again. Yeah, because that ain't going nowhere. So, never seen that before. Very good, and you get two in there, so you get a spare one. And at the side here you have a micro SD card slot and a micro USB port. That's for charging the device and powering it. So I can power it right now. And there we go. So as always, it will start recording immediately as soon as there is power provided. You can turn it off with the button at the bottom. And as soon as you turn off, parking surveillance will be enabled. And parking surveillance is very good. You can adjust the sensitivity of it. There we go, let's just come up again now. In this clip that I'm showing you here, I parked up in the evening, and look at the great quality in the evening as well. Turned off the power, I slammed my door, and the camera detected the shake and started recording immediately. Then once I got back in the car, turned power to the dash cam, and it tells you that there is parking surveillance footage.
There is a new parking surveillance video. Please open the gallery to view it.
What's that? So I thought that was super cool. So there are a few buttons here at the bottom. That's the main menu button. So you can enable your Wi-Fi. So let's go and enable that now. Turning on. I think that should still turn on if I click back. Okay, so the hotspot's on. So you can connect it to your smartphone, which I'm going to show you in a second there. And you download the 70 Mai app. Collision sensitivity. So if you obviously crash, it will record a, I think it's a 30-second clip. Format the SD card. Set the system time, screen off time 1 minute. We can go into advanced settings, system update, factory reset. So if we go back into advanced settings, change the codec if you wish, video coding. I kept it at 264. 265 is supposed to be smaller file sizes apparently. Video resolution up to 1080p. It's what I like. This camera's no gimmicks. It's not saying it's 4K, 2K. It does outstanding, brilliant 1080p. Really good. Speaker volume high. Power on sound. Parking surveillance, which is enabled. And ADAS, which is disabled at the moment. So, I mean, this is a really easy to use dash cam. The settings are not stupidly full of ridiculous settings. It's just basic, solid, good settings, and Wi-Fi is on, so let's connect it to this smartphone. So this is the app. So it should have saved it from previously. Connected. Let's go into the app. 70 Mai. To connect the device, please enable location services. So I don't understand why you have to enable GPS though. Connected. Let's go back in the app again. There we go. So from here, let's have a look at this. So it's pointing straight at my mug. So you can take a photo.
Photo taken.
Okay, so you can go full screen. Okay. There's a slight split-second delay when you move up and down, or whatever movement you make. Top right-hand corner, there are a few more settings here. And this is basically all the settings that you can do on the camera itself. You have a few other settings, time-lapse photography, electronic dog, haven't got a clue what that is. GPS, again that needs GPS as well. Video settings, the same. Yep, just exactly the same guys, but you can have it through your phone. Which I don't really see the need for it. I'd probably see the need for it if there was no LCD display here. But the fact there's LCD display here, you can do all the settings within that. I wouldn't really need to use the app really at all for this, but it's an extra added feature. It does tell you that it's connected to the app at the time, and obviously while it's connected, it is charging the battery.
Start recording emergency video.
Now it's recording emergency video. I think it's probably from the shake that happened. That just shook it there. It's good. So if we disconnect, can we disconnect from here? There we go. Now it's still recording that emergency video. So we're disconnected from the app now, back onto the LCD display.
Recording complete.
Recording complete. And you put it to standby, or it's still recording. You turn the microphone off and on here. The recording's been closed. Let's turn it back on, yeah.
Start recording emergency video.
That's the emergency video button. And you can't cancel it either. You have to wait till it fully records. Okay. And on here, you can look through the gallery. So you can check your normal gallery, the emergency gallery, which the video just captured, that will be in there, and your photo gallery. And that is the menu button. Really, really simple to use, guys. Now, if I can quickly show you what's in the box. You do get a micro USB cable. Also with the in-car charger, you get 2 USB ports on there, which is cool. A red one and a black one. Super long micro USB cable to route around the car. You get a spare one of these, which I showed you earlier, which this mount goes onto, but you can reuse this quite a few times, I'd imagine. I could just stick that back on there now and it'll be fine. But you do get a spare one. I think they're really clever. And you get a manual. And that's it. Okay, so they do have a website, 70mai.com, and you can actually pre-order that device right now. There's some instructions there, a little diagram to indicate what the parts are. There's a Sony sensor, a wide field of view, 140 degrees, 1.8 aperture, 500 milliamp battery. It is probably one of the best and most reliable dash cams I have used. Now I want to show you the rest of the footage, guys, that I've caught day and night. And you can obviously make your own mind up. Picks up audio really, really well as well. Let me know your thoughts, guys, but I'll leave you with this video footage. Links are in the description below if you want to purchase this Ace dash cam. Any comments, comment below. Give the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.
There was a square thing and there was a a rectangle thing, and there was a pen thing, pen sharpener.
Oh, pencil sharpener.
Yeah. So it wasn't a table one. So can we do it today and watch it after?
Yeah, maybe, yeah, if we can find it, yeah.
Okay. How did that spin on its own? I didn't even spin it. I didn't, Daddy. What? How did it spin on its own again? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Because we're like stuck and it'll be dark. I need to see if it spins all the way until we get to Abby. Whoa.
Elton John could be back in the charts.
Oh yeah. Do you know what? It is good, that advert. Like even last night, I don't know if I think it was on during X Factor or during Jingle last night. It really got me.
Every advert during the Jungle was a Christmas advert.
Yes. I love the kid that's the plug.
Oh, everybody!
I love that kid. He's literally the plug.
Anyway, so it could be Elton John. X Factor.
Sunday.
Urgent checks being carried out on 3,000 foreign doctors working in the UK. It's after a woman managed to practice psychiatry for 22 years without any qualifications. Sonia Anani says she had a medical degree from a uni in New Zealand,